Come ladies. It's another windy morning here at the Wild Farm. So yeah, this coop you see here is just a temporary one. Eventually we're gonna build the proper one there. I'll show you the whole process when we get there. Building the real coop.